In this video, I will be showing you how to strip chrome off plastic model parts. This is just a bunch of random parts I found in my parts box, just some chrome parts, some wheels and stuff like that. Here's just a little container I'm using. If you have bigger parts, use a bigger container. This is LA's Totally Awesome. You can buy this at the Dollar Tree. It works wonders. It says dilute before use, but do not dilute to strip the chrome off. Just leave it as is. This stuff actually works for a lot of different things, and it actually does work. This is the best degreaser ever used on any type of engine, like real life. So this stuff is good. You can buy it at the Dollar Tree for $1. It's also no acid, no ammonia, no bleach, and non-flammable. The website even says it's non-toxic. Here I'm just taking it and filling it until the parts start floating. We're about halfway in my container. Just put the lid back on and leave it to set. Here it is after 18 hours later. This is before I wash the parts off. I guess open the lid up. It ate all of the chrome off. Even ate the yellow stuff off of it too. That's what it looks like. Some of the stuff is still there because they are not washed yet. As you can see, the chrome is gone. They did a really good job at eating it. This stuff is just $1. So you can see all the stuff floating. Here's what it looks like after I washed them. I didn't take a toothbrush or scrub or nothing. I just rinsed them under water. And all the stuff came off. But it's a pretty simple process, and it works wonders. You just have to do it before at nighttime, like put it in at nighttime, and by the next evening, all the chrome will be stripped off of this. A lot of people use different things, but this is what I like to use. This stuff is actually non-toxic. So you can also use anything you want, purple power or bleach, but this is what I use.